Most luxury SUV buyers make the same mistake. They chase the obvious choices, ignore the hidden gems, and end up spending far more money than they needed to. But some of BMW's most impressive SUVs are also some of the most overlooked. These are the models that quietly deliver incredible performance, luxury, and value while flying completely under the radar. And the worst part, years later, many owners realize they should have bought one when prices were lower and examples were easier to find. So if you're thinking about buying a premium SUV, don't make that mistake. Because today, we're counting down 4 BMW SUVs you'll regret ignoring. Number 4. The BMW X2 F39. And this might be the most underrated BMW SUV of the last decade. While everyone was busy chasing X3s and X5s, the X2 quietly became one of the smartest entry points into BMW ownership. Produced from 2018 to 2023, this sporty crossover offered something many luxury SUVs simply don't: genuine driving enjoyment without the high ownership costs people usually associate with the brand. The model worth looking for is the xDrive 28i, equipped with BMW's B48 turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, one of the company's most proven modern power plants. With solid reliability, strong fuel economy, and enough performance to make everyday driving enjoyable, the X2 delivers far more than most buyers expect. Sure, some people dismissed it because of its unconventional styling and smaller size, but that's exactly why used prices remain so attractive. And that's what makes ignoring the X2 such a mistake. Because while everyone else was spending more money on larger luxury SUVs, smart buyers discovered that this overlooked BMW offered premium features, sporty handling, and surprisingly low ownership costs in one package. Years from now, many people are going to look back and realize they completely underestimated the X2. Number 3. The BMW X4 G02. And if you've always thought the X4 was just an X3 with a different shape, you may have overlooked one of BMW's most underrated SUVs. Produced from 2019 to 2024, the X4 combined sporty styling with the practicality buyers expect from a luxury SUV, creating a package that many people simply ignored. The model worth targeting is the xDrive 40i, with BMW's excellent B58 turbocharged inline-6, an engine known for delivering both impressive performance and strong reliability. What makes the X4 so easy to overlook is also what makes it such a smart buy. While most buyers focused on the X3 and X5, the X4 quietly offered a more distinctive design and a driving experience that stayed true to BMW's performance roots. It feels balanced, responsive, and far more engaging than many SUVs in its class. Sure, some buyers prefer the extra cargo space of the X3, but those who gave the X4 a chance discovered something special. Thanks to depreciation, these SUVs now offer incredible value, modern technology, and one of BMW's best engines. And that's why so many people who ignored the X4 ended up missing out on one of BMW's best-kept secrets. Number 2. The BMW X6 F16. And this may be one of the most misunderstood SUVs BMW has ever built. Produced from 2015 to 2019, the X6 was often criticized for its coupe-like shape, and many buyers simply wrote it off without ever giving it a chance. But those who did discovered something very different. Underneath the bold styling was a luxurious, comfortable, and surprisingly capable SUV that offered far more value than most people realized. For smart buyers, the sweet spot is the xDrive 35i, equipped with BMW's proven N55 turbocharged inline-6. This engine delivers strong performance, smooth power delivery, and a much better reputation than some of BMW's more problematic power plants. Combined with excellent highway comfort and a premium interior, the X6 feels every bit like a high-end luxury vehicle. What really makes the F16 so easy to overlook is its depreciation. Because so many buyers focused on traditional SUVs, used X6 models often represent incredible value for the money. And while its styling may not appeal to everyone, owners quickly discovered that the X6 offers something many rivals don't: personality. That's why people who ignored the X6 often ended up realizing they passed on one of BMW's most unique and underrated luxury SUVs. Number 1. The BMW X5 F15. And if there's one BMW SUV people are going to regret overlooking, it's this one. Produced from 2014 to 2018, the F15 arrived at a sweet spot in BMW's history, offering modern technology, premium comfort, and strong performance without some of the complexity found in newer luxury SUVs. Yet for years, many buyers skipped right over it, assuming they needed the latest model to get the full BMW experience. For smart buyers, the xDrive 35i with the N55 turbocharged inline-6 is the version to own. It delivers smooth power, respectable reliability, and enough performance to remind you that the X5 has always been one of the benchmarks in the luxury SUV segment. Add in a comfortable ride, a spacious interior, and the kind of refinement people expect from BMW, and it's easy to see why the X5 built such a loyal following. But what makes the F15 so special today is the value. Thanks to depreciation, these SUVs have become surprisingly attainable, often costing far less than newer competitors while still offering an upscale driving experience. Sure, maintenance is still important, but owners who bought well-maintained examples quickly realized they were getting an incredible amount of luxury and capability for the money. And that's exactly why so many people who ignored the F15 later realized they missed out on one of the smartest luxury SUV buys BMW ever produced. And there you have it. 4 BMW SUVs that prove some of the best luxury vehicles aren't always the ones getting the most attention. The X2, X4, X6, and X5 may not be the first models most buyers think about, but that's exactly what makes them such compelling choices. Sometimes the smartest purchases are the ones everyone else overlooks. So, which of these BMW SUVs would you buy with your own money? Let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more smart BMW buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.